Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, first of all, before I say anything, if you can hear the backing in the background, please guys, just forgive me. Today we are going to be fixing contact lens. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the whole process. Let's just jump right into the video. Guys, today for the contact lens we'll be using everything from Fresh Look, and the reason why I like this contact lens is because this particular one comes in a box like this with everything you need. Ouch, something just fell. With everything you need for, the process of fixing your contact lens. It comes with the solution, it comes with the lens storage pack, and other little things. All of these are solutions that you can use and it lasts long. That way you don't have to keep getting solution, and you can just keep everything in one place and you don't get to misplace them if you're not so careful and particular about your stuff. So basically what I like to start with is I've used this before. What I like to start with is to just take the case, and I don't know if you can see, but there is solution in there, and I'll use the applicator, little picker thing. I'll be using that to just pick out my lens. And guys, the thing is, it's so easy because it's labeled, the pack is labeled left and right, so you don't use your left eye for your right eye, and vice versa. So this is like the thingy that you put the lens on before you put it in your eye. I've seen people use their fingers and I commend them for that, but your girl doesn't do that, because my eyes are so sensitive, and if there's anything like a speck of dust or anything at all, any particle, my eyes will immediately start to burn. And this is just safe for me personally, because I've not tried my hand or my finger. So once I have it on this thingy, I just use my fingers. Guys, please ensure that your hands are clean for this process, because it is your eyes we are talking about, and your eyes are very sensitive part of your, if not the most sensitive part of your body. So you know that you should do this with utmost care, and just be careful when you're doing this. So it's okay if you cry. You're not necessarily crying. Tears are just coming out of your eyes because you've introduced a foreign object into its space. So its natural reaction will be to tear up. And guys, if this is your first time, like always, I advise that you go to a professional, a makeup artist, or anybody that you know that has done this before and is some form of an expert, so that you don't injure yourself or get yourself into any form of trouble. Same thing. This time around I can just use one eye, open, wide enough. And voila guys, there you have it. So what I like to do next is to use the solution in my eye and just drip it in to help me cleanse in case there's any dirt. I just do it as a safety measure so that I don't just, you know, get to about 3 drops is okay for each eye. And there you have it guys, voila, that's how I fix my contact lens. After that, just wipe off your face. Once you've done this, you can just do your makeup and you're good to go. So guys, thank you very much for coming to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share if you found this useful, and I'll see you in the other one. So I don't know if this video is going to go up before my makeup video or after, so whichever one, I'm just going to link them together at whatever point. So guys, just remember that I love you, and thank you guys so much for the love, for the support. You guys are the realest. See you guys in my next video. Bye.